Okay, y'all, so welcome to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. I just started my brows before, but the camera erased them. So a little bit of them, because they still not normally as lined up as they look right now. But I just had to go off and re-record this video. But thank y'all for watching. Join and subscribe. I'm just taking some regular product. It's from a drugstore. Just eyebrow gel. That's all it is. Just eyebrow gel. And I'm just going to go ahead and do that. I've been using my palm to kind of wipe to have the product on. A lot of people probably use napkins or something. But hey, I started and I'm just about to get it done. So... It's already starting to turn out nice. It's already starting to turn out nice. I feel like this sun is way too bright. Like, not too bright, but like, I'm not this light. As just looking on the camera. Because this is just me in front of a window. Your eyebrows are supposed to be sisters, not twins. That's what they say. Look, I'm going to do my best. Okay. Like, eyebrows literally are like, it takes the longest on the face because it like literally, it frames your face. So if you get your eyebrows fleeky, everything else is going to be fleeky. See how the hair is already blending? It's already going. Let me fix this arch, honey. Okay, so that's looking like the move right now. That's looking like the move right now. Okay. Okay, y'all, so that's really it for this video. Pretty much. I just wanted to show y'all pretty much what I do to my eyebrows. Now, a lot of girls get on here, you know, if I was going out somewhere, like if I'm not about to just, if I just feel cute and up to it, you can take some concealer and you can kind of highlight around it, and you can clean it up with you know, with the towel, or what are those things called? The things you clean your ears with. You could clean it up with that. But this is pretty much what I do to my brows. I'm going to go ahead and finish up what I was doing. Let me know if y'all like it. And I'm going to finish the rest of my face. Stay tuned for my eyeliner.